So our value for x here is 25.00. I'm just doing it this way because I don't want to redraw the table again. But for your exams, you have to go and redraw the table again. Because the table have already been drawn. We are in pages we are given, of which you have to redraw. You have to copy and complete the table. Now let's just take a look at our second title. This is the rough. You know, whenever we are to do our practicals, we need to check the accuracy of our burette and also our pipette. And in checking the accuracy of our burette and our pipette, there comes what? The rough reading. Now we are done with our rough reading. Let's assume or presume that we want to start our first iteration. Now in starting our first iteration, we have 24.50 and y here. But Italian, I said the final reading must be subtracted from what? The initial reading must be subtracted from the final reading. That is, final reading minus initial reading. So therefore, we are going to have here 24.50 minus y, which will be equal to this man. Let's try and see. We said 24.50 minus y. Always, the final reading is supposed to be subtracted with what? The initial reading, to give you the average volume of the acid which is used. So this should be equal to 24.50. But what are we to do? We want to make y the subject of the formula. When we say making y the subject of the formula, y should stand alone as what? As a subject on its own, or as an equation on its own. So therefore, I said what? Y must be equal to 24.50 minus 24.50, which is also equal to y equals to what? 0.00. Mind you, again at worst, when completing the table, it should always be into two decimal places. It should be into two decimal places, because if you are looking from this angle there, 24.50 minus 24.50, in your calculator, in some calculators, it will give us 0. But we should take it into consideration that in as much as we are to write it into two decimal places, therefore we should add 0.00. So therefore, our y here is 0.00. Now let's take a look at this our second titration that we did, which is our second title. Now, our second title here says what? 34.50, that is 34.50, and which is for the final reading,